This is Nick at DuraLabel. Welcome to the new LabelForge PRO homepage. As your main starting point, you'll be printing in seconds. LabelForge PRO is a fast, versatile, and easy-use sign and label design software for industrial teams. It helps you create custom, compliant signs and labels quickly. The new homepage makes everyday work simple. Jump into your recent, favorite, and local network files. You can search or sort and switch grid views with just a click. Pro tip, start your templates as favorites by clicking on the top right-hand corner so your team's go-to labels are just one click away. Need a head start? The pre-made sign suggestions help you start printing right away. The pre-made sign library includes over 3,000 sign designs and 2,000 plus symbol sets you can customize in seconds. Compliance is built in. The built-in modules allow you to create labels that meet safety standards like GHS HAZCOM, NFPA, anti-ASME pipe marking. You can also get ArcFlash templates and HAZCOM and GHS chemical databases, so staying compliant is easier. Scale your work in any way you like. Print a single sign or a large batch with sequence barcodes and QR codes. You can design and print in many languages too. Free for you and your team with DuraLabel systems, it auto-updates to keep pace with standards and improvements. On the left sidebar, you have all your label creation tools, from Label Designer for building from scratch, pre-made signs for quick design and printing, compliance modules for ArcFlash, chemical, NFPA, and pipe marking. We also have a resources section for support that have how-to guides or videos available on LabelForge PRO. That is the new LabelForge PRO homepage. Open a template or start in Label Designer and get printing.
Thanks for watching. For further assistance, visit our website and contact our team for your free lifetime support.